This is a very rough and ready video, right? I'm just out for a quick walk at lunchtime. I've just picked up a brand new Karrimor SF Sabre 30. Now everybody knows that I always rely on Karrimor SF products anyway. This is my latest bag. It's a 30-litre general purpose rucksack, ideal day bag. I've just taken out the wrapper, hence holding on to this piece of plastic so it doesn't blow anywhere. The first thing that struck me is it's very lightweight. It's got the usual high quality shoulder harness and waist belt that you come to expect, or I've come to expect from Karrimor SF. The material is exceptionally light. It's got some tie downs on the sides so you can carry extra long things like skis, ski poles, elasticated side pockets. Looking at the top flap, you've got a bungee on the top and a zipped compartment on the outside of the lid. The usual Karrimor high quality clasps. Open it up, you've got a drawstring baffle with a toggle to seal it down, and inside there is a big hole. 30 litres of carrying capacity. There is an elasticated compartment at the back so you can add a hydration bladder or use it for storing maps or whatever you want to. What's this? Okay, that's nothing. So that's it. It's a lightweight, very robust, very comfortable looking Daypack. Let's give it a bash.